Hi, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we will be talking about reducible equations to separable equations with homogeneous fractions. Okay, so let's start now. So suppose, for example, we will start with a differential equation of this form, m of xy dx plus n of xy dy equals 0, and this differential equation near a singular point, let's say this one, let's say where m of x star y star is 0, and that's the same as n of x star y star. Okay, so that means eto siya, ang point na to magzi-0 sa m at magzi-0 sa n. So to make it simpler as possible, so we will assume that this is 0, 0. So bali, sige, 0, 0 yan. So we will consider a directional field. Observe that when our m of xy is a smooth function, so ibig sabihin, it has a continuous derivative kasi smooth function siya. So if m of xy is a smooth function, so ibig sabihin, this has a Maclaurin expansion. So you might want to review your Maclaurin series expansion for that. So that will be on a separate video. So yung m of xy, yung Maclaurin niya is ax plus by plus c x squared plus d xy plus y squared plus and so on. So similarly with the n of xy, if n of xy has a continuous derivative or a smooth, or n of xy is a smooth function, so magkakaroon din tayo ng ganitong Maclaurin series expansion for that. Kung papansinin nyo, on this case, given on this Maclaurin series expansion, if we want to neglect the second and higher order degrees of this given expression, ang mangyayari, we would actually get this one, dy dx equals ax plus by all over x plus by. So bali, balik tayo dito. 'Di ba ito yung differential equation natin? So tingnan natin ha, that's the differential equation. So again, when m is a smooth function, ito yung representation niya. So when n is a smooth function, so magkakaroon tayo ng another representation, let's say this one. Ganyan. So if we will have to neglect these guys here, yung mga second order, mga higher orders, so ang matitira eto na lang. So if we have to plug it in here and then solve for dy dx, eto na lang yung matitira natin. Okay, so simply we can write that as eto, ax plus by dx equals ax plus by dy. So nagkakaroon tayo ng replacement. So in this case, this is what we call now the linearization. So ito na yung sinasabi natin na we will have a linearization of the given differential equation. So in this case, we always assume that A capital B is not equal to capital A, B. Kailangan natin i-assume yan. Otherwise, AX plus BY will be proportional. So proportional siya to the denominator. So bale, ganito siya. Now, let us assume that our y here is equal to x times b. So in this case, our x is not 0. Remember, in this case, v here is a function of x. So this means that our y prime, tama ba? This is xv prime plus v. And so, kung papansinin nyo, di ba eto sana siya eh. So that means we have x v prime plus v, and that's the same as a plus BV over A plus BV. 'Di ba? So, bale ipa-plug in mo yung y, you have to replace that by xv. So, yan yung mangyayari niya. So, simplifying this equation or rearranging, we get xv prime equals a plus bv minus a v minus b v squared all over capital A plus B v. Yan. So, bali, kung di ba algebra na lang to, nilipat ko siya dito. So, naging minus and then simplify this expression, you get this expression. If you notice, yung numerator mo, you can actually write that as b v squared plus, tama ba ako? Correct me if I'm wrong. That's capital A minus V, B rather, V minus A equals 0. So, as you can see, this is a quadratic equation in terms of V. In this case, your V here may have a critical point kasi quadratic equation to solvable to siya according to the fundamental theorem of algebra. So, solvable siya. So, ibig sabihin magkakaroon tayo ng possible critical points. Now, in this case, kung napapansin nyo, pwede ko pa itong i-rearrange, no? So, remember your V here, V prime rather, that's dV dx. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, if I'm gonna rearrange that, I would actually get, tama ba? A plus capital B V all over A plus BV minus AV minus B squared dV, which is equal to dx over x. Tama ba? Minus din. Minus ba? Hindi, positive lang siya. Pero, I can rewrite this as, kasi, A plus BV all over, eto 'di ba, pinalitan ko ng ganito, pero naka-negative to sila lahat dito Okay. So, I have BV squared plus A minus BV minus A. So, dV. So, yung minus dito ko na lang ilalagay. Dx over x. So this is now a separable equation. So provided this denominator is not 0, so continuous siya. So therefore this is separable. This equation is separable. So that's why this topic is still under separable equations. So take the integral of both sides. Mangyayari, we would actually get, paano ba? Dito muna laruin muna natin to. This is negative ln of cx. That's equal to ln cx to the negative 1. Tama ba? Yes. And then, dito, as you can see, kung titingnan mo, ano bang maganda dito? Hindi, kung titingnan mo guys, this one mag-drop lang ako Scratch. Eto, yung derivative ng baba, magkakaroon ka ng 2bv. Dito mo naman is, derivative niya is, magkakaroon ka ng plus a minus b. Yan. Tama. And so, small b pala to. Yan. So, if we let our b equals negative a, so mangyayari, magiging ano to, no? 2a. So, if we factor this out, this 2, ito yung lalabas, this one. So, remember, in calculus, dito na lang ako mag-scratch Di ba meron tayong integral of f prime of v over f of b dv. Di ba that's ln of f of v plus c? So, yan yung gagawin natin. And since we found out that this the derivative of this one, provided your b is equal to negative a, is actually this times some constant. So, ang mangyayari dyan, this will be here, 1/2. So, ito yung missing dito. The integral of d bv squared plus 2av minus a all over bv squared plus 2av minus a. Okay. So, yan, we have 1/2 ln of bv squared plus 2av minus a equals ln of cx to the negative 1. So if we want to exponentiate this para matanggal natin yung ln, we would actually get bv squared plus 2av minus a equals cx to the negative 2. Okay, kayo nang bahala mag-simplify nito ha. Basta ang ginawa ko, minultiply ko both sides by 2. So, wala na to. Eto, magkakaroon ng 2. Tapos, di ba magiging exponent yan kasi may ln. And then, taking the exponential of both sides, natatanggal lang to. So, we get this one. Okay? And so, since, remember, our v is equal to y over x, so kapag ipa-plug in natin yan ulit, we will get by squared over x squared plus 2a y over x minus a equals c x to the negative 2. So, multiplying both sides by x squared, so magkakaroon tayo ng by squared plus 2a xy minus ax squared equals c. So in this case, this is now the general equation of our differential equation. So as you can see, this is a family of similar quadratic curves centered at the origin. Tingnan mo, di ba connex to? Kung papansinin mo, so kung babalikan natin, if AB minus AB is greater than 0, ang mangyayari, so ibig sabihin, this capital A, B is greater than A, capital B. So, ibig sabihin, magiging ellipse to. So, di ba? Let's review back on our analytic geometry. So, magiging ellipse yan. If ito naman, yan is less than 0, so this implies capital A, B is less than A, capital B. So, hindi siya magiging ellipse, but this case is hyperbola. So with this one, we will have to establish the following cases. So case 1 is a minus b squared plus 4ab. So yung kanina, so if this is greater than 0, dalawa ang lalabas. So meron tayong a, b minus capital AB less than 0. So this is semi-stable. And then if this is greater than 0, so this is hyperbola. Okay, our case 2 naman, what happened when a minus b squared plus 4a capital B is 0? Okay, and then for case 3, we would have to get what happened when this a minus b quantity squared plus 4a capital B is less than 0. In this case, we would love to try an example. So suppose we have differential equation. So we're asked to solve this one. 5x dx plus 2 times x plus y dy is 0. So we want to solve this differential equation. And the conditions are x plus y is not 0. So eto siya. And then the x. Para mag-make sense yung differential equation natin. So how do we do that? So nakadrop lang to ha. We let paano ba? Our y is equal to vx. So pag nililet natin yan, then y prime natin is v plus x b prime. Tama? Because v is a function of x. So v is a function of x. So our differential equation now, we have 5x dx plus 2x plus vx and then dx, okay, plus 2, ay tama, vx, sorry, dy na pala to, dy, papalitan natin yan ng v plus x b prime, which is equal to 0. So in this case, our v is not equal to -1 and our x is not 0. Okay, para mag-make sense siya. So, there is always a presence of x dito, I guess. So if I want to remove this, yeah, always presence of x. So yan, factor out natin yan. So if I want to remove the x, so I have 5 dx plus 2, 1 plus v. Tama ba? Times v plus x b prime equals 0. And so I can write this as well as, correct me if I'm wrong, this is 5. Okay. Wag muna natin diretsuin. Di ba, it is 5 dx plus 2, 1 plus v times v plus x dv dx. Tama, no? And so, kayo nang bahala ha, mag-compute. Basta makakuha tayo ng equation na ganito, 5 plus 2v, v plus 1 dx plus 2 v plus 1x dv equals 0. Okay. Remember, your v here is non-zero. So, note yung v is non-zero and then 2v times v plus 1 plus 5 is greater than 0. Yan yung kalalabasan niya. So, in this case, dahil greater than 0 naman siya, yung differential equation na nakikreate natin kanina right after we replace y by v doesn't have equilibrium solution. So, ang gagawin natin, we will have to get the general solution na lang. Remember, eto na siya, di ba? That is, correct me if I'm wrong, tama ba? 2v plus 1 all over 2v squared plus 2v plus 5. Kayo nang bahala mag-simplify nito ha. Tapos, i-rearrange mo na lang. So, this is dv and that's equal to negative of dx over x. So, if I want to get the integral of both sides plus c1, so in this case, I'd get negative ln of x plus, pwede bang gawin kong c over 2? Okay, I have a purpose for that later. Okay, also, so ito pa lang yung pinapansin natin, no? Again, this is draft only. So how about this problem? Observe that yung derivative ng 2v squared plus 2v plus 5, that's equal to 4v plus 2. Okay. So in this case, kung babalikan natin to, ang mangyayari, ito lang yung problema natin. So that means I have the integral of 2v plus 1 dv all over 2v squared plus 2v plus 5. So that is 1/2 of the integral, okay, of 4v plus 4 dv. Okay, all over 2v squared plus 2v plus 5. And then, this is 1/2 the integral of 4v plus 2. Sorry, 2 pala to, sorry, 2 all over 2v squared plus 2v plus 5 dv plus 1/2 the integral of 2. So, 4 to, tama, 2 tapos 2 dv all over 2v squared plus 2v plus 5. Okay, so kayo nang bahalang mag-ano ha, calculus na lang to. Parang ayoko kasing masira yung momentum ng differential equation by inserting some topics that we're supposed to be learning in different subjects. So, calculus na lang naman to kasi nag-i-integrate ka na lang ng part na ito. So, basically, the answer here is 1/2 ln of 2v squared plus 2v plus 5 plus eto, wala pa tayong resolution muna dyan. So, that's the integral of dv over 2v squared plus 2v plus 5. So, bali, if you can see, maka-cancel kasi yan. So, eto yung natitira. Okay. So, ang problema natin, we don't have the antiderivative of this, no? Pero ang maganda kasi, remember that 2v squared, so note again, plus 2v plus 5, I can write that as 2 times v squared plus v plus 5 over 2. Tama ba? And so I have 2 times, magkakaroon tayo ng v squared plus 2 times 1 over v. Tama ba? Plus 1/2 squared minus 1/2 squared plus 5 over 2. Sorry, it should be 2 times b rather. Sorry. So this becomes 2 times, di ba pwede ko na itong magkakaroon ako ng 2 times v plus 1/2 squared. Tama ba? Eto, yan. And then minus 1/4 plus 5 over 2. Yan. And so I'll get 2 times v plus 1/2 squared plus 4 over 9. No, 9 over 4 rather. And that's equal to 2 times, so correct me if I'm wrong, so with my arithmetic here, v plus 1/2 squared plus 3 over 2 quantity squared. Yan. Kung babalikan natin doon, i-note muna natin. Sige, sa calculus, note that, naka-red na lang ha. Di ba, the integral of du all over u squared plus a squared, di ba ang integral niya is 1 over a arctan of u over a plus c. So, ang mangyayari dun sa integral kanina na pending, which is the integral of dv over 2v squared plus 2v plus 5, that's equal to 1/2 integral of dv all over v plus 1/2 squared plus 3 over 2 squared. 'Di ba? Ito yung kanina na simplify natin. Tingnan mo. Yan. And so, using this note here, ang mangyayari pala, this is 1/2 times, tama ba? And then our A here is, our A kasi is, eto no? So, I'd get 2 over 3, tama? That's arctan of 2v plus 1, diretso na lang, 3. Yan, plus C, 1. Okay, so cancel. So, papalitan ko na lang yan agad. I'd get 1/3 here. Okay, so kayo nang bahala mag-simplify sa arithmetic niya ha. Therefore, we have this one. So our general solution, so yung kanina, that is 1/2 ln of 2v squared plus 2v plus 5. So ilalagay natin itong 1/3 of arctan of 2v plus 1 over 3. That is negative ln of x plus c over 2. Yan. So in this case, kung titingnan mo, define yung we define siya in two domains. Yung two domains na tinatawag natin dito is either v is greater than -1 or v is less than -1. So we can use the logarithm property. This is ln of x squared times 2v squared plus 2v plus 5 plus 2/3. 2/3 na ba? Arctan of 2v plus 1 over 3. This is equal c. Tama? So, bali, ang ginawa natin, ito kasi lilipat naman yan dun eh. Tama? So, dahil plus to, so pwede kong i-combine to as a product. So, ito na yung x squared. And x squared siya kasi may coefficient dito eh. Pwede naman yung dyan siya lalabas. So, magiging 2. So, raised to that is x squared. And then, eto na. So, this is now our final answer. So, if you have any question or clarification, please let me know. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or clarification, please let me know so that we can discuss on that. And for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be updated on a lot of videos that I'll be uploading soon. Thank you and have a great day.